the nature, and everyone should. It's not just about the free food that the nature offers, the herbs that they help the human to heal, the beautiful sunlight, the fresh water, the earth. It's not just about that. It's about that too. But it's all about the connection with the nature, with all the other living beings, with everything. That can make a human to realize the love for nature that every human has to feel truly, without constantly trying to stimulate yourself with artificial stuff, entertainment, foods, lifestyle. No, all that stuff are not necessarily serving the human, but the nature does. Thank you.